Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tech with Atman. My name is Atman Shah and today we are going to take a look at the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is a creator's edition combo and this is something that I've been looking for quite a while. So here's what is on the agenda. We will unbox this package and check out each and every accessory that comes with the creator combo edition. I'll give you a close-up look at each item so you know exactly what you're getting into if you pick up this bundle for yourself. And after that, we'll get hands-on with the Osmo Pocket 3 and the camera itself. And I'll share you my first impressions, run through some key specifications, and give you a quick review of what this little device can do. So you can decide if this is the content creation tool that you've been looking for. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the big red subscribe button down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button as well. All right, so let's go ahead and continue. So this is the packaging that it comes in. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. And you can see this has been purchased in India through the official channel. So it comes with a 1-year warranty. And here you can see that it also comes with a wide angle lens, a DJI Mic 2 transmitter, as well as the battery handle. Now that's not all that it comes with. It also has a wide range of accessories that it comes with in the box. So we're going to open this and see what all comes inside. Okay, let's see if we can peel off the plastic packaging here. Yes, here we go. We'll put this on the side for now and see what else is there. Okay, box empty. Let's put this on the side. So these are basically some user manuals and some stickers. We'll put this on the side. Let's see what comes in this box. Okay, nothing else. Let's put this on the side and let's open this for now. So this packaging is pretty good. This is the pouch, the carrying case that comes with the camera and the accessories. Let's open this up and see what all is there inside. So here is the main camera itself. Let's put this on the side. This is the DJI Mic 2. This is the extra battery pack that comes with the creator combo, and as you can see there's a 1/4 inch thread for mounting a normal tripod on this, and this clicks on to the camera like this. You'll have to check the orientation. This is how it clicks into place, and there is a USB-C charger port to charge it on the go while you're recording. And you press this and release. Okay, let's put this on the side again and see what else is there in the box. Pretty similar to what we just opened up, but this comes with an extra battery. This is just an adapter for the 1/4 inch tripod mount that clicks onto the DJI camera. This you can use when you just want to mount it on a tripod and you don't necessarily need the extra battery. This is a cute little tripod that you can attach this or the battery pack to. There you go. Let's see what else. Okay, so this is just your standard charging cable, USB-C to USB-C. No power brick inside, but this is fine. This is a wind deflector or a dead cat, as you call it, and a thread that you can mount it to the camera and protect it so you don't accidentally drop it. This is the dead cat, and it comes with this latch that you can just insert it onto the microphone jack and it clicks into place. There you go. And this is how you can use the DJI Mic 2 outdoors in the wind without having to record the wind noise on this. Just basic silica gel, and yes, one last thing. So this is a magnetic wide angle lens adapter for the camera, so you can just snap it on like this and use a wide angle lens. When you don't require it, you just pull it and snap it when you want to use it. There you go. Okay, so these are the total accessories that come inside the package. Now we are going to charge this device for some time, and then we're going to test it out and see, and I'll give you a review once I test it out. So we have so far unboxed the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I've kept the camera on charge right now. That will be all for this video. In the next one, we will take a look at the camera and the features, and also I'll show you some of the sample footage out of that camera. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, this will be the right time to do so that you can be updated of the next video whenever it drops. And if you like this video so far, don't forget to hit that like button as well. All right, catch you guys in the next one.